This video is brought to you by Skillshare. What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll always stay updated on our latest Blackpink videos. If you're a Blink and your dream is to own Blackpink Lightstick 2, join the Lovesick Girls Dance Challenge for a chance to win Lightstick version 2 limited edition. Just submit your dance cover to a provided email and make sure to send your entry on or before February 28th. Have fun everyone! Shout out to Queen Jisoo, Sour Candy, Sunjuk Santosh, Young Juji, and Sima Sina. Take care you guys, hati-hati, kendini bahagian raki, ingat, XOXO. Before we head on testing this Lightstick, I'd like to mention our video sponsor today, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creatives to explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. Skillshare classes include a combination of video lessons and a class project, which helps you build your talent and improve your skills. The premium membership gives you unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes, where you can look up any kinds of skills that you want to learn, like painting, photography, filming, crafts, and more. Currently, I'm taking a class on mastering illustration, sketching, inking, and color essentials, which is a class taught by Jazwares. What I like about this class is that it gives you in-depth illustration about the basics of sketching, inking, and color, and it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription, which is pretty affordable considering the knowledge you can gain from it. So because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to get the link in the description box will get a free trial of premium membership. Click now and explore your creativity. Alright, let's get back to our unboxing video.
저 높이 두 손 Forever young boy, so we ride and die. 끝이 없을 것처럼 달려 너와 나. 이건 sunset 아래 너는 지금 내 옆에. Pink down and murdered out like it ain't a thing.